Hello friends, this is Venkatramana. Welcome to Data Nebula. Okay, today we are going to solve one of the common SQL question, okay, interview question, which is department-wise highest salary. Okay, most of the interviews you might have heard this question. Okay, we'll try to solve this question. So let's look at the problem here. Okay. So we have given two tables, employee and department table. Okay. The schema is looking like this: ID, name, salary, department ID, and for department table we have ID and name. Okay. Now if we look at the expectation, okay, let me explain with the sample data. So we have employee table and data look like this. Okay, Joy with salary 70,000 and department ID one. Okay, I mean multiple departments they have mentioned. Okay, and if you look at the output, right, they want for each department they want the employee data who is having highest salary. Okay, for suppose we have if you look at department ID one. Okay, which is IT. Okay, here you can see foreign key here, so which is department ID 111. Okay, so here we have Joy, Jim, and Max. All three belongs to department ID 1. For these, if you look at these three employees, okay, we have Jim and Max who are having higher salary for this particular department. Okay, so here we need to understand one thing. Okay, if we have multiple employees having same salary, I mean higher salary and same salary, then we need to bring the data as well. Okay, this, so if you look at the second department, we have Henry and Sam. Out of these two records, we have Henry, okay, who is having the highest salary. Okay, let me open Excel sheet and show you the sample data. Okay, this is our sample data. Okay, I just copied all the data which is there in LeetCode. Okay, now we have employee table and department table. Okay, so now as I said, we need to bring department name in the output. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to join both the tables and bring the department name as well. After that, we'll proceed with the other logic. Okay, first step is, first we need to join the tables, both the tables, and bringing department name. Okay, if you look at this data, okay, you can understand. Okay, for each record, I brought the department name as well. Now the second step is, as per the requirement, we need to have the department level highest salary, right? So what we need to do, we need to like group the data based on the department, and then we need to bring the highest salary employee data. So now what we need to do first, okay, after joining this data, okay, we need to let's bring the data together at the department level. Okay, so what I did, you can see the color difference, right? This is like a I just want to differentiate based on the color, like a department based on this color. Now after, like, I just brought the data together based on the department, and then what I'll do, what I have done, I just sorted the data based on the salary for each department level, not for the whole data. Okay, at the department level. Now, if you look at these for three records, okay, we have IT department and sorted data based on the salary, 90,000, 90,000, and 70,000. And also for the department says, okay, we have sorted based on the salary. Now, these two records got sorted based on the salary. Henry came at the top for this particular department, and Sam became the second record. Now, if you look at the data, okay, once we group the data based on the department and then based on the salary, we have sorted. Now, just logically, you can just think, right? So if we assign any rank to these records, okay, like how we in the college, how we'll allocate the ranks based on the marks, okay, based on the salary, we'll allocate the rank over here, okay, like this. For these two records, both are having higher salary, so I'll be assigning the rank as one. This is the second highest salary, so I am giving the rank as two. Okay. Likewise, in for the department, other department also, we have just applied the rank here. Now, the one last step is, if you look at the ranks, okay, if you just filter the rank, the records which are having rank one, So that's our result. Okay, if you look at this data, right? If you filter the data with a rank equal to 1, okay, we will get automatically will get for this department these two records as the result, and for this department this record as the result. Okay, so this is just a problem solving approach. Same thing will apply while writing the SQL query. Okay, let me go back to lead code. Lead code. Okay, first thing, what I said is we will just we'll just try to join the tables. Okay, employee and employee table. I'm just aliasing with E. Okay, and I'll just join department table. I just aliased with a D. Okay, from employee table we have department ID equal to, okay, from department table we have ID. Okay, now we have joined the table. Now we'll try to get all the data now. Okay, like required data we'll just select. From employee we need ID. Okay, from employee we need name also, and in the output table we need employee name as employee. So I'm just aliasing this employee e dot name as employee. And for next is we need salary also. From employee table I'll just select salary. Okay, from department table we need department name. Okay, for that what I will do, d dot name as, okay, here in the output they are required department name as department. So I'll just select it as department. Now we have selected all the required columns. Now actual logic will apply here. Okay, so as I said, we need to group based on we need to bring all the data based on the department, and then we need to start with the salary. After that, we need to apply the rank. Okay, that is the second step, right? So for that, I will be using a dense rank. This is one of the ranking function. Okay, which will give whatever I have explained. Same logic, it will give as a ready-made. Okay, instead of doing manually. Okay, this is like a inbuilt feature, inbuilt function where we can assign the ranks based on our requirement. Okay, so for us, okay, we need to group it with the department. For that, we need to use the partition by, and we need to sort it with the salary. So I'm just sorting based on the salary. Okay, I'll be using order by, and salary should be in descending order. So I'll just mention it should be descending order. Okay, once we sort like group and sort, right, we need to assign rank. That's why this whole, okay, this part, right, it will automatically assign the rank. So for this column, I'm just giving alias as RN. Okay. So now we have all the data with the ranks. Next step is just we need to filter with the data wherever we have RN is 1. Okay. So we can do in two ways. Okay. Either we can just create a subquery and filter the data. Others we can create a city. I'll go with a city approach. Okay. Which will look a bit structured. Now what I will do, from this city I'll select required columns. We need department. So I'll be selecting department, and then employee name. Okay. I'll be selecting employee, and then salary. Okay, from empcte where rn equal to 1. Okay, and also I'll be ordering with the id. Okay, yeah, that's it. Let me just run this query. Okay, yes, it is accepted, and even test cases also passed. Yeah, that's it. In a simple way we can do this. Okay, one more thing I want to highlight here. Okay, first, suppose in interview, okay, if interviewer asks you to find out the second highest salary, what you can just do, we can just give, instead of rn equal 1, we can just give rank 2. Okay, so that we'll get the second highest salary. Okay, like this we can find nth highest salary, even if interviewer asks eighth highest salary, we can just replace one with the eighth. Okay, like this we can just do. Okay, that's why I went with this approach. Okay, thank you so much, guys. That's it. Thanks.